Now we are waiting Mom to bring us our special wishes and our recording. But Ashley is getting something big and we don't know what it is. Let's wait.
Where is it?
I'm getting an iPod.
Shut up.
Christmas wish is...
Sarah also needs an egg.
Mama, where's the Christmas wish?
Well, hold on. Let's find out.
I'm preparing something. Okay, Allie, would you please go get an egg for Sarah?
Where's the Christmas wish?
What, honey?
Where's the Christmas wish?
What does it say? Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
think I know what it is.
What does your note say?
It says this.
Can you read it again for me?
A Christmas wish is... I don't know.
It says, a Christmas wish is waiting by your door. Love, Santa. Take good care of my friend.
P.S. Take a good care of me.
Wait, Ashley.
Ashley, sit down by the stairs. It's cold out there.
Wait.
Where's the wish?
I look so classy right now.
I'm hoping it's a doggy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
He said a Christmas wish, and I told him at the mall.
What else did you get? What is it?
It's a Tinkerbell.
Oh, a Tinkerbell.
I'm
Ben,
loving the stocking press.
Ben, can you put that away, please? We're gonna
What's up?
look in this Ashley's stocking. It's Ashley's turn.
Let me just
Okay.
read this,
Where's
wire.
that special
Let
friend?
me just win this.
Where's the special friend?
Do you really need an egg?
Go ahead.
Hi, Grandma. Hi. Good.
Merry Christmas! What do we have here? Is this a special Christmas surprise? Here it is. Ashley, come and see what's in there. What is it, Ashley?
It's my puppy. Thank you.
No, Santa Claus brought it.
This is a Santa.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Sarah really needs an egg.
No, Sarah doesn't need an egg.
Come here. Mama, can I go call Sarah?
Just wait. You're gonna love your puppy out.
You want to take him
Oh,
out?
this is way too good. Our very
Yeah.
What are we gonna name it?
Well, you have to.
Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a male.
It's a boy.
It's a boy
A
puppy.
boy.
I'll name her.
Grandma, look at
Is it mine? Is it mine?
It's our family. It's our family dog. Can you say thank you to Grandpa and Grandma for bringing him inside? He was cold outside.
You're welcome.
Okay.
That's special.
Very old puppy. I never knew this would happen.
You want to